Oh, there we go. That's a good one. There he is, dude.
What's up? How's everyone doing? How's life been? Right now, I'm actually at Prairie Oaks Metro Park in Columbus. I came here to shoot a Dodge Viper with Honest Speed Shop, but unfortunately it's raining, so we kind of have to postpone driving that thing because it's just so powerful that it's pretty dangerous to drive when the roads are wet. So I have an hour-ish to kill, so I figured I might as well come out to Prairie Oaks here in Columbus. I am here today hoping that I can catch just one smallmouth on the fly. My plan was to drive down to Honest Speed Shop in the morning, shoot the Viper, then on the way back I was gonna meet Cody, who you guys know, and fish Mohican Clear Fork for little rainbows and browns. So that plan is still on, it's just pushed back a little bit. Don't have a lot of time though.
Right up here at this bend is the spot that I know produces good smallmouth, at least back when I was in college. I saw a fish flash here, so I'm gonna fish this really quick. I'm gonna strip it a couple times through there too. About 10 minutes right here, and then up to the good curve. Fish that bend really hard. If I don't catch on any on that bend, I know I'm not gonna catch any. So yeah, that's the game plan. Well, guys, I tried. What's going on, my friend? Here he is, guys. I found him. How beautiful is this place? The road in is the most beautiful road ever. It's like not even fair how cool this place is. Woo! That's a big trout. Holy Jesus. Dude. Oh my God. Okay. Look at that fish. That's a tank. Look at that fish. That is a beast.
Destroyed that woolly bugger.
Congratulations. What a fish. What?
That was awesome.
What? Congratulations.
Thanks, bro. Mud.
Okay. I'm shook. Cody's, I'm sure, shook.
Yeah, a little bit.
The grandparents that were watching over there were shook. The world is shook. We are on. I don't even know if we want to tell you anymore. We're in
Colorado.
We're in Colorado on a mountain creek. Doing a little trout fishing. We took a quick drive, and it's already a successful day. We don't need to catch another fish, but we're gonna try to.
It's my go-to for the stockies.
Heck yeah, dude! What a way to start. There we go. Yep, little guy. What do we got? Oh, he's in mating. Looks wild. Look at all those little horns up there. All right, buddy. See ya. Oh, I just had one. Alrighty, y'all. I have a fresh squirmy wormy tied up to a little purple haze nymph. So, see if that does the trick. Some subtle changes, because I was getting bites, but the wrong type of fish. So, maybe this will help. What do we got? First drift with the new ones. Oh, it's another chub. Another chub. God, look at them. They're looking wild. See you, dude. There we go. What do we got there? Oh my God, it's mega chub. So weird. Right here is a brown trout. Yeah, I just saw it flash. It looked like sizable. I just saw gold, or it was a carp, one of the two. But I'm gonna try and drift right over his head. Oh, there he is again. Yeah. Oh, that's sad. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. There he is, dude. That's what I saw. Yeah, big bow. That's what I saw flashing. Good rainbow. Not as big as yours, but still a good fish. That's a nice one. Woo! I gotta try and get him out. Dude, I told you I saw something flashing right there. I just kept casting over it. Oh, that's awesome. Is that what it was? Yeah. It's just because of the water stain, it looks brown to me. Or gold. But really, it's silver. Uh-oh. Heck no. $6X. Got him. Whew. Yes.
I'm gonna get a max soon.
Alrighty, so there's my first bow of the day. Nice one. Oh, gotcha. Goes free. Alrighty. Beautiful fish. Oh, and he's off. Just like that. Oh, there's one good one. Right on that undercut bank. I wonder what he ate. Come on, jump again. Do it again. Do it again. Give me another jump. There we go. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, don't go that way. Don't go that way. No, no, no. Oh, and he's off. And he's off.
Because you don't know who you're going to meet.
That was a rainbow. Good Lord, no! Oh! Oh! There he goes! It's tough to tell in the air, but yeah, it was looking brownie-esque. That's tough to watch.
Oh, dude, I'm like so mad, but like I'm not. It's just a weird feeling right now.
Hey, you're learning nymph fishing.
As soon as I had him on, I was
You're
like,
like,
okay.
wait.
I was like, okay, I'm not gonna horse him.
Yeah, it's
And
when
then-
they start running.
Yeah, it was
you're
fine, and then he just took off.
Did you see? You missed his second jump too. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today from Clear Fork. I mean, we did pretty well. I only caught one. He only caught one, but still, they were good fish. We're in Ohio. We're trout fishing, so
Very true.
it is what it is. I lost two good ones. The nymph rig was doing well. Those little purple haze that I picked up at Cabela's right before we got in. You lost
It was a toad.
a toad
It was
of
a
a
toad.
brown trout. And that was the one thing he said he wanted to do, was catch a big brown. So
It was there, but the line was just a little
I screwed
too
him.
thin.
I screwed him. I gave him 6X.
It's alright. I should have came prepared in the first place.
It's all good. But now he's got nymph fishing down, so next time we come out, it'll be easy.
True. Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Of course.
That's fun.
It's been fun.
Till next time.
Till the next time.
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you